Simba, you getting released back to the jungle, King. You ready? Oh, hell no. Hey, yo!
What you doing here, buddy? Your owner's probably looking for you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hands. Let me see your hands. Stop resisting.
Yo, do you really want to stay a king the rest of your life? Or do you want to become a tiger? Let's go! It's the eye of the tiger. It's the three. Let's go!
Bro, did you really just bite me, bro? After everything I did for you, I saved you from that shelter. They were going to put you down. I raised you. I fed you. I gave you everything. Why?